Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Instagram lead ads leads in Google Sheet and create a subscriber in ConvertKit. So here I am a digital marketing consultant and I am running ad campaign on Instagram for an online sports training center. So here in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically that lead detail should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row, and after that automatically the lead should be created as a subscriber in my ConvertKit account. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add Instagram lead ads leads in Google Sheets and create a subscriber in ConvertKit. So here, as I've mentioned in my introduction, that I am a digital marketing consultant running ad campaign on Instagram for an online sports training business. So this is the Instagram account and I'm running some Instagram lead ad here. And I have connected this Instagram account with their Facebook page, which is named as Sports Elite Training Center. So here to show you this connection, let me click on this menu option. And from here, I'm going to select settings. And here scrolling little down. And here under permissions, I'm going to select linked accounts. And here you can see the option for Instagram. So let me show you this connection. And here you can see I have successfully connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page. So here by using this Instagram account and my Facebook page, I'm running some Instagram lead ad. And I have attached my lead gen form in this ad. So here in this case, I want whenever we generate a new lead via Instagram lead ads, automatically their details should be added in my Google Sheets. And this will help us to keep the track of all the leads easily in real time. And after that, automatically at the same time, they should be added as a subscriber in my ConvertKit account. It will allow us to manage and segment our leads for targeted follow-ups. So this way we can engage with new leads right away and increase the chances of turning them into paying clients. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Instagram lead ads with my Google Sheets and my ConvertKit account. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notification when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add Instagram lead ads leads in Google Sheet and create a subscriber in ConvertKit. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect. So moving back to Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button here. And now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name add Instagram lead ads leads in Google Sheet and create a subscriber in ConvertKit. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action, where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads. So Instagram lead ads are a type of advertising format on Instagram designed to help businesses collect valuable contact information from users directly within the Instagram platform. For businesses, Instagram lead ads are effective in generating leads because they streamline the process of capturing user information without requiring users to leave the Instagram app. This makes it convenient for businesses to collect leads and follow up with the potential customers effectively. And here in my Instagram lead ads, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant so that whenever a new lead is received in my Instagram lead ad, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And authorization successful. So here it easily got connected because I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you are already logged in your Facebook account. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here it is asking me for page and the lead gen form. So here to select this page, let me take you back to my Facebook account. And here you can see I'm using a page which is named as Sports Elite Training Center. So moving back to Pabbly's window, and here I'm going to search for the page that is Sports Elite Training Center. And here I'm going to select this page. And after that, I'm going to select my lead gen form which I have created with the name Sports Training. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting my page and my lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And now here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Instagram lead ad. And here to generate a test lead, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the homepage of Meta for Developers, and from here I'm going to click on this more. And from here I'm going to select Tools. And now under Developer Tools, I'm going to select a tool that is Lead Ads Audio Debug tool. And here in Lead Ads Testing tool, you can see it is asking me to select the page and my form. So here I'm going to select my page that is Sports Elite Training Center and my form that is Sports Training. And now here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. Now here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as lead, email as dummy222@pabblytudes.com. And then I'm going to enter a random phone number. And after entering all these details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's window. And here you can see we have successfully received a response here where we have received the first name, last name, email, phone number and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger step. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my first action application as Google Sheets. So here I'm going to select Google Sheets over any other data storing platform because it's easy to access from anywhere and great for working together. It's free, work well with other Google apps and has lots of helpful features. Plus, it's super simple to use. And here in my Google Sheets action event, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that whenever a new lead is received in my Instagram lead ads, automatically that lead detail should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. And now to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So for that, let me take you back to my Google Sheets. And here you can see I have created my spreadsheet with the name Sports Training Leads. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Sports Training Leads. And after that, I'm going to select my sheet as Sheet 1. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for first name, last name, email and phone number. So basically these are the fields which I've entered in my Google Sheets. So moving back to Pabbly window, and now here instead of entering these details manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever a new lead is received in the Instagram lead ads, automatically this previously existing lead detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Here I'm going to map the email. And lastly, here I'm going to map the phone number. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the lead details in Google Sheets. So to check that, let me take you back to my Google Sheets. And here you can see we have successfully added the details here where we have received the first name as dummy, last name as lead, email as dummy222@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our action step. Now let's add another action step by clicking on this Add Action Step button over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as ConvertKit. So ConvertKit is an email marketing tool that helps bloggers and online creators send emails to their followers automatically. It lets you organize your subscribers into different groups and send them personalized messages based on their interest. ConvertKit is easy to use and helps you grow your email list effectively by tracking how well your emails perform. And now here in my ConvertKit action event, I'm going to select the event as Add a Subscriber to a Form, so that after adding the lead details in Google Sheet, automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in my ConvertKit account. And now to connect my ConvertKit with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this Connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select Add New Connection. If your ConvertKit account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on Select Existing Connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for API key and API secret. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my ConvertKit account. And from here I'm going to click on my profile icon. And under this I'm going to select Settings. And here under Settings, scrolling little down. And then I'm going to select this option that is Advanced. And here you can see we have received the API key and the API secret. So here I'm going to copy all these details and paste in my Pabbly window. So here I've added both the details and now I'm going to click on this Save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the form. So here I'm going to select my form that is named as Contact Form. And then here it is asking me to select the first name, email, tags, last name and mobile number. So again here I'm going to map all these details. First name, here I'm going to map the email. And here I'm going to select a tag which I have created with the name New Leads. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the last name. And lastly here I'm going to map the mobile number. And now here after entering all this required data here, I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see we have received a successful response here. That means we have successfully created a subscriber in our ConvertKit. So now let's go and check our ConvertKit account. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the name as dummy, email as dummy222@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example, and for that we need to create a new lead in our Instagram lead ad. So for that, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool, and here in my lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So for that, I'm going to click on this delete lead button over here. And then I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. And here you can see after that automatically this page and the form is selected. So now I'm going to click on this preview form. And again here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name I'm going to enter the name as testing, last name as lead, and email as testing@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Google Sheets first. And here you can see we have successfully received a response here where we have received the first name as testing, last name as lead, email as testing@pabblytudes.com, and a random phone number. So now let's go and check our ConvertKit account. And here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber here with the name testing, email as testing@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Instagram lead ads, an action as Google Sheets and ConvertKit. So that whenever a new lead is generated in our Instagram lead ads, automatically that lead detail should be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. And after that, automatically that lead should be created as a subscriber in our ConvertKit account. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.